You ever try to add music to your Instagram story or reel, and the music option just isn't there? Or you search for a song and it says, "No results found," even though you know that song exists? Yeah, that was driving me crazy. Especially when you see other people using full music libraries, trending sounds, everything. And your account just feels limited. I thought it was a bug at first, so I tried everything, switching between personal and business accounts, updating the app, logging out and back in, even reinstalling Instagram. Nothing worked. Same issue, no music, limited sounds. But then I found a setup that actually fixed it. And if you want the exact method that worked for me without wasting time, just go to vpndiscount.org. I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow the same setup. So here's what's really going on. Instagram Music depends a lot on your region and account type. In some countries, the full music library just isn't available. And business accounts especially get restricted due to licensing. So even if your app is updated, you still won't see the full music feature. That's why nothing worked before. The fix is to make Instagram think you're in a region where the full music library is available. And the easiest way to do that is by changing your IP location. Again, if you want the exact setup I used, vpndiscount.org has it ready so you don't have to guess. Here's what I did. First, I downloaded a VPN app on my phone, installed it, opened it, logged in. Then I chose a server in a country where Instagram Music is fully available. I usually go with the US. Tapped connect and waited a few seconds. Once it said connected, I didn't open Instagram right away. This part matters. I went into my phone settings and force-closed Instagram completely. Then I reopened it while the VPN was still connected. After that, I went straight to create a story, tapped the music sticker, and yeah. The full music library was there, songs that didn't show before suddenly appeared. That's when I knew it worked. Now, quick note. The VPN I ended up using for this was NordVPN. I didn't say it earlier because I actually tested a few options first. Some didn't change anything. Others were slow or unreliable. But NordVPN worked instantly. It's fast, so everything loads smoothly. It's stable, so it doesn't disconnect randomly. And it has a lot of server locations, which is perfect for switching regions depending on what you need. That's what made the whole thing consistent. If you want the exact same setup I used, you can get it through vpndiscount.org. That's where I found the deal and instructions. And it made everything way easier. One more tip. If the music still doesn't show right away, try switching to a different server or restarting the app again. Sometimes it takes a quick refresh for Instagram to fully update your region. Also, make sure you stay connected to the VPN while using the feature. So yeah, if you've been stuck without Instagram Music or dealing with limited songs on your account, this is probably the simplest fix. No complicated tricks. No weird settings. Just change your location, restart the app, and you're good. And again, if you want to set it up exactly like I did, head over to vpndiscount.org using the link in the description. It saved me a lot of time, and it'll probably do the same for you.